Hey there! Continue our Google Ads course. In the previous lesson we create a Google Ads account. Now you're setting up a Google Ads account specifically for advertising. Let's start it. There are several ways to create an ads account. First, let me show you what not to do. When you're inside most Google services, you can click the app grid in the top right corner and pick any Google products, including Google Ads. It's convenient, but don't do it this way. I'll explain why in a moment. Here what you do instead. Type ads.google.com in your browser and go there directly. You'll see a page that says choose an offer to earn up to $1,500. If we start the setup a convenient way I showed first, we wouldn't get this offer. Scrolling down, right now there's 3 bonus options. Spend $500 and get $500 more. Spend $1,500 and get $1,000 more. And last option, spend $3,000 and get $1,500 more. Important, you must spend the amount within 60 days. So I usually pick that one. If you click terms, you can read the details. Nothing complicated. It's written in plain languages. So choose your offer and click claim now. So let's do it. You'll immediately see create a first campaign in a few simple steps. Click anywhere and pop-up disappears. Google tries to force you to create your first campaign, but you don't have to. What we need to do? Enter any website. You can even use google.com. It doesn't matter here. Then click next, skip, and skip. And voila! Google shows leave campaign creation. You can skip ahead to your account and create a campaign later. Yes, I want it. If you don't see the skip option, just fill the required fields with placeholder data, so Google lets you pass through, and then delete the dummy campaign later. So click Leave Campaign Creation. Now it asks to confirm your account settings. It's very simple, it's easy. Choose your country, the time zone, where most of your customers located, and choose your billing currency. Click Continue. Double check country and time zone. If you select a promo early, you'll see a bonus in a green banner here. For example, get $500 after spending $500 within 60 days. Next, choose Create New Payments Profile. Change organization to individual. That's what I do. But if you are doing this for a business, pick organization instead. Enter your legal name and zip code. Click Create. Now click Add Payment Method. Attach a card or bank account. I'm using a card. Scroll down. For one personal guidance, I choose no. They often help you spend more. And we want to earn more. We have different goals. And next, click Submit and your account is created. This page you see to start running your ads, you'll need to complete advertising verification. You don't have to do it right now. You can launch ads without it, but you'll need to complete it anyway. The process is very simple, so we won't dwell on it. If you run into trouble, I'm happy to help. My Discord is linked in the video description. So click Continue. You can also skip this step with X, but I'll show you the simplest path. Is your organization an advertising agency? No. Who pays for your ads? Yes, we pay Google Ads directly. This way you'll get a few questions. Click Save and Continue. That's it. We're inside a fully ready Google Ads account. You are all set to start advertising. If you close the browser and didn't save the page, you have multiple options. Go to ads.google.com directly, or from Google homepage, Gmail, and so on. Open the app grid and choose Google Ads. By the way, if needed, you can create additional Google Ads account on the same email. Just click this button, create new Google Ads account, and voila! Want to create a new Google Ads account? If you have still questions, ask me on Discord. Link here. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe, so you don't miss the next lessons in the Google Ads course. You can drop a quick thanks in the comments. That would really make my day. See you in the next lesson. We'll build the keywords list for your campaigns. That's all for now. See you in the next lesson. Think bigger and make money.